you speak English?
A little but don't speak very well.
Can you speak slowly?
I will try to speak slowly.
Are you crazy?
Little.
What's new with you?
I got a new job in the city.
Where did you from?
I from in Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 25-year-old.
Do you like to study?
I like to study at home.
Do you have any friends?
Yes, I have.
Who are your friends?
I have 4 friends.
Do you know to speak in Spanish?
No, I am no so good, so I speak in Spanish.
Hi, excuse me down, what time is it?
Hi, yes, it's 2:30 p.m.
Bye until tomorrow.
Bye until tomorrow too.